So today I am here to begin a topic to discuss a topic named properties and types of quadrilaterals. So this is very important topic for the whole academic student from class 6 to 12. So we will understand this topic. So in this topic we will understand what is quadrilateral, what are the various properties of quadrilaterals, and what are the various types of quadrilaterals. So these topics will be discussed here in this video. So before begin this topic, we will understand what is the main aim of this topic, because aim is very important. We should understand why we are studying this topic, why we are dealing with this topic, what is the importance of this topic. So the main aim is very simple and clear in nature. After understanding this topic, we will able to deal with problems, we will able to deal with theorems, their proofs and their applicability, and the various numerous questions in the textbook we will easily able to solve them. So let's start our video. In this video, so what's first of all, what is quadrilateral we will discuss here. So quadrilateral is simply a closed figure bounded by four vertices, or we can say obtained by 4 points, but in a particular order. Particular order is very important. If we draw a quadrilateral named ABCD, so the ABCD should be in a clockwise order or in an anti-clockwise order. That's very important. If we draw ABDC, so that's not correct. And moreover, every quadrilateral has four vertices, four sides, four angles, but two diagonals. So this is the various important elements we can say for every quadrilaterals, for each and every type of quadrilaterals. Now, if we say four angles, we will also know the sum of the four angles of quadrilateral is what, which we will also say angle sum property of quadrilateral. Like angle sum property of triangles is there. In the same way, angle sum property of quadrilateral is that the sum of all the four angles of quadrilateral will be 360 degrees. So that's also very important, useful in solving various questions in the textbook. So okay, and now we will understand the various types of quadrilateral available in our textbooks and what we know about them. So various types of quadrilateral are like this: number 1 rectangle, number 2 square, number 3 parallelogram, number 4 rhombus, number 5 trapezium, and number 6 kite. So these are the various types of quadrilaterals which will be very useful for the students. So one by one now we will understand their properties. We will understand the properties of each and every type of quadrilateral. So one by one we are discussing these. So first we will take rectangle. Number 1 property for rectangle is opposite sides are parallel and equal. Number 2, each angle of rectangle will be equals to 90 degrees. Now coming to square, first property for square is all four sides are equal and each angle will be equals to 90 degree as that of rectangle. Number 3 property, there are two properties for square. Now coming to parallelogram. Parallelogram has three properties. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and opposite angles are also equal, as well as number 3 property of parallelogram is the diagonals will bisect each other. So these are the three properties of parallelogram. Now coming to square, coming to rhombus, rhombus have two properties. Number 1 is all four sides are equal for rhombus and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. That's very important. Coming to kite, for a kite, the two pair of adjacent side will be equal. Two pair of adjacent side will be equal. And coming to last quadrilateral we have, which is trapezium. In trapezium, one pair of opposite side will be equal. So these all are the various properties of quadrilaterals, useful for solving various proofs, various theorems like midpoint theorem, basic proportionality theorem, quadrilateral chapter is there. So these all properties are very useful for the students. Now after understanding these properties, we will make some conclusion here. These conclusions are very important. We should know what is not and what is exactly existing or not. So we should know by these conclusions. So conclusion are like this. Number 1 conclusion is square, rectangle and rhombus are all parallelograms. And number 2, but the trapezium and kite is not a parallelogram. So this is the second conclusion. Number 3 conclusion is that square is a rhombus as well as square is a rectangle we have available to us. So these are the various conclusions available to us by the help of these properties. So I will conclude my video here. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.